Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we've got some groundbreaking insights. There is a surprising way to improve your health and combat inflammation. We have a video on our channel explaining how inflammation may be a major cause of autism and the nutritional approaches to the management. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and view all these and more. Let's dive right in. This approach to liver and gut health has been emphasized by a renowned nutritionist, Dr. Mosley, the founder of the 5-2 diet. Now you might be wondering about the 5-2 diet. It's a game changer. 5 days a week you eat normally with no calorie restrictions, then you limit your intake to just a quarter of your daily needs for the remaining 2 days. That's about 500 calories for women and 600 calories for men. Important note, when I talk about pasta, I am referring to the gluten-free variety. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. The game-changing revelation. Cooking, cooling, and reheating pasta transforms its carbohydrates into resistant starch. Unlike when eating fresh, reheated pasta acts more like fiber than carbohydrate. Eating your leftover pasta for lunch could help keep blood sugar levels down. Why does this matter? Well, it's a game changer for your gut and the bacteria within. This process not only reduces blood sugar spikes, but also feeds your friendly gut bacteria. They convert resistant starch into a fatty acid called butyrate, which has a most wonderful benefits, including reducing the risk of colon cancer. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just pasta. Foods like green bananas, plantains, oats, and legumes, which include your lovely beans, are also packed with resistant starch, and there is even more. Recent studies reveal that increasing your intake of resistant starch can do wonders for your liver. Researchers found that participants with non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases who consumed resistant starch experienced a 40% reduction in liver fat. Plus, they had lower levels of liver enzymes and inflammatory factors associated with the condition. Wondering how to incorporate more resistant starch into your diet? I suggest including oats, legumes, and green bananas in your meal, including your dear plantain. You can also try cooking, cooling, and reheating rice, pasta, or potatoes. Dr. Mosley tested it himself. On 2 consecutive days, he had pasta for lunch, but on the 3rd day, he used leftover pasta from the fridge and reheated it. The result, you might ask? His blood sugar spike was cut into half. Studies, including one from the University of Surrey in 2021, confirmed the impact. Cooking, cooling, and reheating pasta significantly affects blood sugar levels. Another study led by researchers at Shanghai 6th People's Hospital in China also conducted a similar experience on 200 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This showed that patients in the study had 40% less fat in their liver, as well as reduced level of liver enzymes and inflammatory factors associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The disease, which consists of a buildup of fat in the liver, is associated with a higher risk of heart attack, stroke, and liver damage. 1 in 3 Brits has early signs of non-alcoholic liver disease. There you have it, folks. A groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize the way you approach our diets. There are health conditions that may not tolerate this dietary approach. If your child has autism, for instance, you need to know the state of their gut health before you try this. Work with your nutrition professional to ascertain the best approach to your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow health enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more game-changing health tips. Remember, your health is your wealth. See you next time. Bye-bye.